Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another video for List Infinity, how to get to $10,000 per month utilizing the system. And I'm so happy to bring to you this review because I've been actually creating a playlist on what List Infinity is all about, building your email list, and also how to receive $25, $50, and $100 payments utilizing the system. I haven't done a review in a while, but I am back and I want to give you guys an update on how the system has actually been performing. So what you're currently looking at right now is my Stripe account. I am using Stripe, which is one of the payment processors that you can use for List Infinity. They do have other payment processors that you can use, but I decided to use Stripe. And here are some of my payments that came in from this system. And what I'm noticing is that through the traffic, free traffic that I've been using, it's allowing me to build up consistent commissions. And my goal is to get this one business opportunity to $10,000 per month so that I am building multiple streams of income. And as a whole, this will bring in a full-time income. So if you're looking to replace your income, or maybe you're looking for an additional side hustle, this is a great opportunity to get involved in. And I'm going to explain to you why I feel like this is one of the best opportunities that you can get into today and start collecting unlimited payouts just by making a one-time investment. So here we have $100 payment that came in. I have a 50, another 100, 50 here. Some of these other payments that came in are from other business opportunities that I'm currently promoting online. I do have multiple streams of income, but this is the one that I focus on the most because it is an easy system. And not only that, it is very consistent with performing over and over and over again. So if we scroll down, you have another 100, another 100 here. Here's another 100, a $25 member came in. And if I scroll through the numerous amount of pages, it keeps going. And every day I wake up, I have either new people that come in where I'm building my email list, or I have new people that are actually joining the opportunity. So with that said, one of the questions that I receive a lot with this opportunity is how much can I actually make and what type of results can I get and how long will it take? So we're going to go over that today, approximately how much time it's going to take for you to set up your system. When you come here, you have 7 steps. In one of the videos that I've done, as far as the playlist that's connected to this video, I have went over the system setup and what to do and what you don't need to do. This can take you approximately an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how tech savvy you are. But the thing that I love is that there are videos. So if you click on it, you will see that there are videos here that you can follow step by step to get your system set up. But not only that, they have screenshots that show you what things should look like when you are going through the setup process. Okay. As far as the lead capture page, you do not need to create the lead capture page. It's already created for you. All you need to do is go in and pick the capture page that you want to use. And in a previous video that's a part of this playlist, I walked through step by step how you're going to connect your lead capture page to your domain name. Okay, so you'll be taking whichever one of these capture pages that you pick, and you will connect this to your domain name. And this is what people will see before they get to the sales page. This is where you go to collect the email address. Now, when you get into your trainings, depending on what training you decide to use, I recommend doing a paid traffic strategy and an organic free traffic strategy and rotating the two week to week. So what it can look like is 1 week you're buying traffic. The second week, for that entire week, you're working on free organic traffic. And even some days, the first week, you should be working on your free organic traffic because it doesn't take a long time to put in an order to place paid traffic. If you take the two and you rotate it back and forth, you should start to produce results within your first week or 2 weeks. Now, does that mean you're going to get signups? Each person is different. You may or may not get signups, but you definitely will be building an email list And as you grow your email list, you'll start to notice that people will join the opportunity from the email list where they're receiving emails on a consistent basis about List Infinity. Okay. So here for your free traffic strategies, you have your Instagram marketing, you have your Facebook marketing, you have YouTube marketing, and TikTok marketing. Now, depending on if you are a person that don't mind doing video marketing, you would be looking at TikTok or YouTube. If you are a person you don't want to do video marketing, you would be looking at Facebook and Instagram. And then if you want to buy traffic, you're going to be looking at your solo ad secrets and your solo ad Rolodex. Before you start running traffic, you want to take at least 3 to 5 days to go over the 10K blueprint so that you know exactly what's needed to start building up the momentum to get to those 10K days. Okay. And then we have here your success mindset. I highly recommend going through that if you want to work on your mindset and getting into the mode of building a business from home, because it is a lot different from working a regular 9 to 5. I always tell people to go over the training more than once and don't start off going with every traffic strategy. Pick two or pick one, work on one first for a few weeks, and then add another. Once you get to 2 different marketing strategies, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your time to bounce back and forth between just those 2 marketing strategies. Okay. If you are using them consistently, you will be building momentum within your business within the first 90 days. What we call this is a 90-day blitz. And the reason why that's important, and I could just talk to you about the 90-day blitz, what it's all about, is basically when you work 90 days with a strategic game plan that's going to allow you to build momentum. And what happens is if you work on your business for 90 days straight, you will know exactly what you need to do day in and day out. But not only that, it will become second nature to you because you have done it for 90 days. Most of the time, in order to make a difference within an opportunity or learning something, you need a full 90 days. Now, this means working on your business a little bit every day. You don't have to be in front of the computer 3-4 hours if you don't want to, but at least an hour to 2 hours a day, learning something new. And then once learning whatever it is that you're looking into, implementing that right away. So here they talk about a 90-day blitz, and it's a period of intense focus effort designed to compress timeframes and accelerate progress towards a goal. So it's like a race. And what we know within affiliate marketing, success loves speed. So you want to be implementing what you learn as quickly as possible so that you are building those results as quickly as possible. Okay. So how does it work? First, you set a long range target. You are going to focus on that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to decide what traffic strategies you're going to use once your funnel is set up. Next, you set up a short range target, a point you want to get to in 90 days, right? And make sure that this is very realistic goals that you can meet. They don't have to be super easy targets, but something that's not extremely off the map or off the chart that there's no way you can reach it in 90 days. This is where most people fall apart. They try to attack the whole 90 days at once. You don't need to do that. You need to really break this down into 30 days at a time. So what I'm going to focus on within this first 4 weeks, what I'm going to focus on within the second 4 weeks, and then what am I going to focus on within the third and final 4 weeks. Okay. Before you start a blitz, you need to have a plan. Where are you going to get your plan from? Your plan is going to come here, the 10K blueprint. It's going to come from one of these strategies. And then if you're going to be adding solo ads, you're going to then focus on what week you're going to work on solo ads and how much traffic you're going to pump into your business. Okay. Now, the thing is with the 90-day blitz, This is you're going to have a lot of light bulb moments. You're going to do a lot of tweaking within your business, but you're going to figure out what works for you, what it is that you like to do, and what you can see yourself doing on a consistent basis for the entire year. That mainly happens within your first 90 days. Okay. So it's really important to make sure that you have a game plan and you're working fast and efficiently within those 90 days. Okay. So what you're going to do is basically focus on the quality, because that's another thing. You can sit in front of the computer and be doing absolutely nothing, or you're not focusing on income producing activities. If you think of the quality, you want to make sure that when you get in front of the computer, you're doing things that is going to actually produce an income. So what does that actually mean? That means that you're focusing on income producing activities that are going to bring you in results, which is traffic, getting as many people as possible on your email list, and turning those emails into actual customers that buy from you on a consistent basis. Devote as much time as possible to quality activity, the most important things to make fast progress. Okay, that's really important. You want to make sure to break your first target down into bite-sized chunks. Small goals is better than no goals. I tell people to make sure that they are extremely realistic and that you know exactly what you need to do in order to get there. So another thing that's really important is that when you are focusing on what it is that you want to do, and you're going through the trainings, that you also take the time to go through the playlist. Now, how do you get to the playlist? The playlist is a part of 11 videos now that I've put together that's going to talk about realistic expectations, traffic generation strategies, what to expect, setting up your account. And if you look here, this is day 2, but it goes all the way back to day 1. We're going to go here under videos, and you're going to see where 3 weeks ago I have day 1 on what List Infinity is all about. And this is a full free masterclass that's going to show you what to focus on and what to do to get to that 10K per month. And if you go through these trainings along with what you have here, this is a way to set you up for success, to make sure that there's no gray areas and that everything that you learn is actually in black and white. Okay. So with that said, the information is in the description if you want to get started. What you would be doing is setting up a free account. Once you set up a free account, you can go through the trainings, you can go through the information, and then you can upgrade when you are ready to upgrade. The levels that they have is $25, $50, and $100. $100 is going to get you access to everything. This is a one-time payment. There is no monthly recurring charges for you to start making money with List Infinity. Again, it's going to take you through step-by-step what to do. And if you need things explained to you in more detail, you can always go back to these videos on the free masterclass, how to build $10,000 a month while building your email list. And this is going to help you to stay focused and on track. And I'm going to keep making videos so that if there's something that I don't touch on within one video, you're able to get that information from another video. Okay. So thank you so much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.